I'm Eugene Volokh. I'm professor of law emeritus at UCLA Law School, and my full-time job is now as a senior fellow at the Hoover Institution. My article is called The Press Clause, Important, Remembered, and Equally Shared. It was published in the Journal of Free Speech Law, and the title stems in part from the article to which I was responding, which is co-written by leading First Amendment lawyer Floyd Abrams, and it's called The Press Clause, The Forgotten First Amendment. They call it the Forgotten First Amendment. I say no, it's remembered, but that it is shared equally by everyone, whether the institutional press or ordinary citizens. If you look at the history, both at the time of the framing and since then, it's pretty well settled that the freedom of the press means the freedom of all of us to use the printing press, essentially, and its technological heirs, and not just the freedom of some particular business group, which one might call the press, the institutional media. The freedom of speech or of the press, right? It's the freedom of everyone to speak. It's not the freedom of some group or thing called speech. It's the freedom of Americans to speak. Freedom of the press, the history and the precedents tell us, is likewise freedom of all Americans to use the press, in the sense, again, the printing press and other technologies that have emerged since.